Hello underwater friends. In this video I'm gonna show you the best dive sites in Tulamben. Actually the best macro muck dive site, 6 of them. And you're gonna see many nice images. The first dive site is Sera Secret. Actually it's not called Sera Secret anymore, it's more Seraya. It's the original dive site for muck dive in Tulamben. Here you can find harlequin shrimp eating on starfish. They're always so cute and great subject for photographers and videographers. You can also find pygmy seahorse, but they're a little bit deep here, around 35 meters, 33 meters, so not so easy. Sometimes you can even find blue ring octopus. Be careful, they're very venomous. At shallow, you can find boxer crabs holding their pompons. Here we have also the clown frogfish. This one is white, but we have other colors. On sponges, you'll see nice little shrimps. You can see them also on whip coral or even on nudibranch for this emperor. We also see some ghost pipefish very often and gobies. The difficult ones to find are the hairy shrimp, but with our spotters, no problem. On sponge barrel, you'll find also some hairy squat lobster and some pointy nose crabs are found here and there. Look at this one, he's so cute. And this one eating, and this one showing off the claws. If you want to come dive with us, don't hesitate. You can check it out on underwatervideographer.com. We organize day trips, private guide, photo and video courses, and also even safari if you want to spend a couple of weeks in Bali and if you want to enjoy everything in Bali underwater and at the surface. Second dive site is Kuanji. In the shallow you have some clown frogfish that live here all the time. But you can also see some very nice rhinopias. Some bumblebees, tiger shrimp, mantis shrimp, and even the super rare kiku tarobabai sometimes. We found rhinopias of different shape and colors, even the filamentus. The frogfish as well can be very different. But one of the highlights here is the seahorses. You can find them in yellow, orange, brown, white, but I think they're cheating, they're changing color when they want. Some more ghost pipe, but that's one of the common things here. We also have the ninja and the Pikachu nudibranch. When we come back to shallower depth, you'll find some panda clownfish protecting their anemone and some weird looking nudibranch and some more crab. Next one is Melasti. In the shallow, we'll find some skeleton shrimp and also Doto SP, donut nudie, some squat lobster, and more frogfish. Look at this one yawning for us. Oh, his cousin in yellow. But they're the same species. And some more nudibranch of all shapes and kinds. Some hairy frogfish also, but we never see them super big. And this great looking yellow rhinopia. When you get close to the end of the dive, you'll find some harlequin shrimp, Costaciella nudibranch, and some more dotto. We even found the flamboyant cuttlefish here. And tiger shrimp. One more yawning frogfish. I think this one is a pictus. More nudies. This one is hiding so well. This one not so well, but hey, who want to eat something shiny like this? As you can see, many different species of nudibranch, and this Zanzibar shrimp and this frogfish was much better. You also have, if you're lucky, some ambon scorpionfish and some little shrimp gliding on starfish, Kikutaro babai, and of course some more ghost pipefish. This one is a dragon shrimp, and here we have the mimic octopus. And look at this shrimp, it's called a ghost shrimp. Ooh! And a tourniquet shrimp going back in the tourniquet. Boop. Next off we have Kuanji. Here you can dive left and right, and you're always gonna be lucky with what you find. Tiger shrimp are very often spotted here. Pictus frogfish, but other ones as well. Here's a decorator crab. This funny animal puts pieces of corals on his body to hide. And here's the skeleton shrimp. And look at this, the orangutan crab. Looks a little bit different than this other crab, the candy crab. We have also more frogfish to see. And this algae shrimp, if you want to see those, you better take a private spotter. They have better eyes than us. I don't know, it's genetic or something. And this tiny, funny looking orange frogfish. Some more hairy shrimp. Some more shrimps on rib corals. And one more ambon. Why not? They're cool looking. Next spot is Batu Ringgit, leaf fish. And look at this orange and this green frogfish. This frogfish have been eating most of the body. I hope he'll survive. And also this tiny pygmy squid. One more hairy shrimp. This one was so tiny, probably 2 or 3 millimeters. And Zanzibar shrimp, always hiding on whip coral. But this mantis with the big eyes can see it. Some more crabs. And one of the nicest looking nudibranch, the Circe elegans. And this one, the egg yolk nudie. One doto. And one of my favorites, the Philodesmium. The skeleton shrimp can be pink. I guess it's to go with the nice nudibranch. Some more ghost pipe, but I think you know now that we can find them everywhere. And a nice nudie to finish. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. It's always a pleasure. If you want to subscribe to the channel, don't hesitate. And you can also come see us in Bali. Happy bubbles!